Hey everyone, I'm Blaine Fisher, and welcome to Command Z, AI for Teams, a 4-day boot camp where we turn imagination into innovation. Imagine walking on the moon, not because you trained as an astronaut, but because you wrote the right prompt. That's the power of AI. This isn't just science fiction. This is what you'll do in this boot camp. Over 4 days, you go from exploring AI art generators and voice cloning tools to building your own custom GPT, trained to solve real-world problems. On day 1, you'll explore how machines think and dive into the ethical dilemmas AI brings with it, from privacy to automation. Day 2, it's all about prompt engineering, crafting language like a wizard to make AI truly work for you. Then you'll build your own AI persona, voice clone it, shape it, teach it. By day 3, you'll work in teams using AI to prototype solutions to real-world challenges, from education, business, to creative tools. And day 4, you present, you pitch, you celebrate the future, your future. This isn't a tech class, it's a launch pad. So whether you're an artist, a gamer, a thinker, or a total newbie, AI is your new co-pilot. So are you ready? Let's prompt the future.